2025, a version of Google's Gemini, a language model, the exact kind of AI the parrot argument is about, they got the gold medal. In 2024, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry went to two people from an AI lab, Demis Hassabis and John Jumper. They built a system called AlphaFold. For 50 years, one of the hardest problems in biology was predicting the shape of a protein. The shape decides what the protein does. Scientists spent entire careers decoding one single structure. AlphaFold predicted the structures of around 200 million proteins, nearly every single protein known to science. More than 2 million researchers around the world are now using those predictions to design drugs and study disease. The answers it produces did not exist in any training data. They did not exist anywhere. The Nobel Committee doesn't just hand out prizes for autocomplete. In 2023, another AI system from the same lab mapped out over 2 million possible new crystals. Material science this time. Close to 400,000 of them were stable enough to potentially be made in a lab. The journal Nature published the work and called it the equivalent of nearly 800 years of discovery. Independent laboratories have already synthesized hundreds of these materials. They are real. You can actually hold them, and trust me when I'm telling you, no parrot has ever invented a crystal. 2025, a version of Google's Gemini, a language model, the exact kind of AI the parrot argument is about, they got the gold medal. It read the problems in plain English and wrote out its proofs the same exact way. A year earlier, an AI system solved the competition's hardest problems. Out of around 600 of the best mathematicians alive, only 5 humans solved that one. These problems are written new for every competition. They cannot be memorized in advance. Predicting the next word, it turns out, was never the ceiling. It was the training method. And what grew out of it is something that the word autocomplete will never be able to describe. So, AI discovers proteins, invents new materials, wins math competitions, which makes the next myth genuinely strange.